Hi and welcome back. Today I'm going to be talking about onions, onion sets and onion plants. Onions are in the Allium family. Now, I've already prepared my bed. I incorporated compost. I have hens. I'm using their chicken poop. Beware, do not use fresh chicken poop. You have to allow the ammonia to dissipate before it'll be safe to use in your garden and in your containers. So the onions that I'm going to be planting today are the intermediate onions. That is the day that it requires about 12 hours of sun. The short day requires 10 hours of sun, that's further south. The long days up north require anywhere from 14 to 16 hours of sun and daylight. Onions like fluffy soil. They are heavy feeders. They love a lot of sun. And they like a pH of 6.0 to 7.0. So let's go ahead and get started. The onions will spread, so it's best to put them a minimum of 4 inches apart in your rows. This is a white onion. This is a set. This is a red onion. This is also a set. Now, I've already planted 360 sets on the other side of my garden. So what I'm going to plant over here are the onion plants. When I plant it, I'm planting it face down where the roots will touch the soil. I just picked these up from the feed store this morning. And of course, it's at the end of the planting season, so this is what was left. So the roots go down. And I went ahead and cut the top off to allow that new energy to enter the onion plant. Okay, let's do a recap. So I prepped my bed earlier. I incorporated chicken manure, aged chicken manure, into my bed. Once I did that, I cut off the tops of my plants. And the reason why I did that was because I want new energy to get started into the onion plants. So now that I've done that, I am going to water. I'm going to water thoroughly. And then I'm going to place my tags on the, and this is what my tag looks like. It says Texas white onions. Today is the 23rd, the 3rd month, the 23rd day, and the year 2024. I'm going to place one marker at each end of the beds, so I will know when they were planted and when they were fertilized. In addition to, I have a book inside that will that has the same information in it. Periodically, I'm going to show you all the progression of the onions and anything else I have shared with you all. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. and check out some of my other videos. Bye.